love this lip. And the best part about this lip is not moving anywhere. This is gonna be on all day long. All right guys, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite lip combinations. I'm gonna use 2 lip contours. I know I have 3 here because I can't decide which one I'm gonna use. And then I'm gonna use our light sealer. One thing that can clog this really amazing applicator is makeup. So you wanna make sure you remove your makeup. So this way, because it's a stain, it needs to go directly on your skin. So I'm gonna grab Rich Brown. It's a really nice rich shade. This is our soft nude, which is amazing. And I'm kind of going right on top of the lip. I'm just gonna blend in the center using a Q-tip and some spit. Now for the magic. I love this shade, and I'm just gonna go in the center. This was so easy, oh my god. And guys, just so you know, I am gonna go eat pizza right now, and the best part is I don't need to worry about my lips fading. It's gonna stay on.